Hello everyone and welcome back to our structured text programming course. In today's lesson we will learn about arrays. And what is the array? An array is a data structure used to store multiply values of the same data type in the single variable. The values are stored next to each other in memory, which makes array simple and efficient to use. And also array has a fixed size that cannot be changed while the program is running. Array can also have one or more dimensions. And let's firstly declare the one dimension array. And firstly let's try do it from here. I think we can do it. And first assign the name of array speed. It will be array, and it has the 6 element, 6 member, and 1 dot, 2 dot between the first and last member of array. And also we must define the data type of our array members. And now here let's assign the first element of our array number 6. Let's compile this program, and exception before, yes, and compile again and run our program. Now it's 6. One dimension array you can imagine like this. It's our first member, second, third, and the last member of our array. And the next one is the let's stop our program, and now let's define the 3 or 2 dimension array. And my friend, also let's open the paint, and here I will explain you more about array. Firstly let's this one and take this one. When you talk about one dimension array, think that you have only x coordinate line. It's our x. And now we try to define define 2-dimensional array. For this we give the name, for example, val. Okay, let's do it like this, R1, and it's also array, and it has 2 dimensions. Let's copy this one here, and we have first for the x coordinate line we have 1 and 5 element, and for the let's first explain here. And when we declare 2-dimension array, we do it like this. We have, for example, if we declare array like this, second one is also 1, and let's take it 3 of int, and here you can imagine it like this. It's a second and it's a third. And here we had also y coordinate, so x, y, and here like this, and bring it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here the same. I made example for you to clearly understand what does it mean if you declare two-dimensional array. And if you want to assign number for, let's make another example with a three-dimensional array, and then assign the number for them, and array. And now let's use like this 1, 5, then 1 and 4 and 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And the same, let's use the real number now, real data type. And how we imagine this array. And let's draw like this, and then okay, let's firstly clear this one, and let's draw our three-dimensional array. It will be like this one. The y coordinate, we have 4 element. Sorry, let's write it from here. I think it will be good. Second one, the third, and the last one, and then used. And that coordinate have the 3 elements like this. Okay, like this. And we have here 1 and 3. And here also 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and here we have 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, and 5. And here this one, then this one, then this one, and this one, and one. Now, my friends, if we want to assign the, for example, number to our element 5, 1, and 3, let's write it here, 5, 1, and 3. And this element, it stay for the, let's firstly we start from our x coordinate, 5 element, it's a x coordinate, 5 element, it's here. Then we use the y coordinate, and the y coordinate is y coordinate line. This one, we stay at the same position, and then we use the 3. It's mean by the Z coordinate line. It's a Z. And we stay for here. Now this position is the 5, 1 and 3. And the next example, for example, if we want to assign a number to, let's take it by the 1, 4 and 2, and we start from the X coordinate. So 1 is here. The next one is the Y coordinate is here, and then at last we stay to Z coordinate line, and 2 is here. Now our number is stayed here, and let's do it in our studio. Let's build our project. Firstly, exception before which of real. Firstly, let's choose the int. Okay, let's delete this one. I think it's not, we will not use it, but array 3, what are you doing? Sorry, I have some trouble with the programs. Okay, let's declare our array again. Let's do it like this. Okay, from the studio motor, enter, and choose here our array ok, and we have 3-dimensional array 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and press and real. We need the real number of data type, and press OK button. Now we have the array of, okay, we have mistake in the declaration of our array. Now I understand it. And now let's assign number, for example, to 1, no, let's try like this, 5, 1 and 3, and assign the number of 43.9. And now let's compile our project and run it, and run. Now we can assign the number to our member of our array. And finally, my friends, you can also start array indexes from 0, but in this state you must be take in notice one thing. If you start your array from the 0 like this, and you declare your array like this, let me write it here, and you have array, and you declare it like here and 3. You have 4 elements. That's why I always start the array from 1 if the programming languages allow it. And now if you declare like here, like this, you have the 4 element, not 3 element. And this element is 0. It's 0 is it's a 1, it's a second, third, and the last element 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, this one is like this. Yes, you have the 4 elements, 0, 1, 2, and 3, not 3 element, and take it in notice. And my friends, that's all for today. I wish you happiness and good health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next lesson.